Hey, future homeowners, what if I told you that your next home could actually pay for itself? That's right. Today, we're talking about one of the smartest ways to build wealth through real estate with an accessory dwelling unit, or ADU. Hi, I'm James Brinkman, Brink with Homes by Brink at AustinRealEstate.com. So, what's an ADU? It's an extra living space like a backyard cottage, a converted garage, or even a basement apartment right on your property, although in Austin, we don't really have basements. A recent survey found that 24% of agents say buyers are actively searching for homes with ADU because of their extra benefits like generating extra rental income, creating a flexible living space for aging parents or adult children. And here's why you should consider having one in your next home: passive income potential. Imagine having a built-in rental unit that could generate $1,500, $2,500, or even $3,500 a month. That's extra cash to cover your mortgage or boost your savings. It can also be room for family, whether it's space for aging parents, adult children, or long-term guests. And the ADU gives you your privacy and flexibility while keeping loved ones close. And here's the best part: ADUs add huge value to your home. That means when it's time to sell, you'll be cashing in on a smart investment that pays off big time. And as always, do your research, because some cities actually offer grants and low-interest loans or relaxed zoning laws to encourage ADU construction. So if you're thinking about buying a home this spring, why not get one that pays you back? Let's find your perfect property with an ADU, or one that's perfect for adding one, so you can have your dream home as well as the opportunity to generate additional income or provide space for family. Reach out to me today to get you started on your search. James Brinkman with Homes by Brink at AustinRealEstate.com. And in Austin, when you think real estate, think Brink. I'll see y'all soon.